Hello and welcome to Business News You Can Use, a monthly segment on DPTV that highlights the business community in Deer Park. My name is Debbie Westbeld and I'm the Economic Development Administrator for the City of Deer Park. And today we are featuring YogaStrong, located at 4202 Center Street. This 4,000 square foot eclectic yoga studio offers a wide variety of yoga programs, including classes for beginners, hot yoga, strong bar, and flow. They also offer coaching, training, nutritional classes, and cardio. You will love their fun selection of essential oils, aromatherapy, yoga apparel and gear, handmade soaps, and much more. They also offer occasional classes like Make Your Own Essential Oils, which is a workshop coming up soon. You can find their schedule and updated information on their free app YogaStrong, available in the App Store and Google Play. You can also call them at 281-930-7033 or find them on Facebook or at www.yogastrongusa.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Business News You Can Use.